shit. You see that big on fire, baby?
Yeah, hey, that nigga throws flames, guys.
What's going on? What's going on? Gozy here, and welcome back to the channel. Alright, we are day 4 for me into Texas 2K23. I'm still getting my voice back. Feeling like I've been yelling all week. Alright, so on our last video, we ended up getting rained on towards the end. Alright, tried racing a pickup performance Mustang 5.0. We spun third, like we were neutral, threw it into fourth, but had to let him go. Alright, so today it's a lot drier, it's a lot colder, but we're gonna be looking to get that rerun. So let's scout the area now, scout the ground, see if we can find them, as well as that as the white one that we ran as well. Literally one of the boats holding the bar, starting back this way out, and then when it caught on the pulley, what I'm guessing is it sent the shockwave, through the belt system, causing the supercharger pulley the supercharger belt to skip a tooth, snapped it. We got that rectified. We put a new bed on there, tested it out, put some miles on it. Everything's good, so it should be good for tonight. Definitely a lot on the premises, a lot of toys to play with. So I'm gonna flip this around and give you guys just a good idea of what we got going on tonight. Got a Mustang GT, Bravo, Evan's out here. All right, so they're definitely out here. Clean CTSV. Okay. Big single. Nissan looks clean. Hell yeah. Got the Beamers in the house. BMWs in the house. And we lost power.
Hey.
We got power. So we got fast ass GTR over here. Alright, Mr. Humble guy. Not gonna show his face, but he's cool. He's family.
You can show my face.
You sure?
You can show my face.
Okay. Alright. Camaro looks clean, that red. C7. Mustang. Couple C6s out here. R8. Audi R8. Another C7. Alright. Supra.
Yeah.
ZL1. Got a Viper. Got a McLaren Turbo Camaro over here. Sick, good to go. Alright, and this is not even half the lot. GTR. More GTR. It looks like the ZL1 over there. S10. Jeez. C8. I never heard a Charger chocolate before. But yeah, it's definitely about to be spicy out here tonight. Oh yeah, ZL1, AMP.
There, by that dot.
Helicopter downtown and one northwest of here. So just trying to.
What's over there? That could be
trying to keep it low key.
What is that?
But yeah, it's definitely hot out here.
He got him.
Yeah, he got him for sure.
He got him.
Yeah, he got him for sure. For sure. Let's fucking go. Let's go.
It's a great run right there.
Had some good ones with that Supra. I'm back in the lot now, and we are doing Corvette things with our Corvette people.
We'll wait for him to roll back.
I thought them Ford this doesn't feel any better. Yeah, it's suspension junk. Suspension junk.
It would have been a good race if you would have hooked. Yeah. It would have been a really
He
good
would have
race.
walked to me, but
Yeah, it would have been a good race. But you're all over the road, bro.
Yeah, you hit that bump. There was a lot of bumps right there.
Yeah, it sounded funky from behind. He spun a little bit. We both did.
Yeah. Oh, that Civic was trying to run me.